Hello guys, what's up? Welcome back to the workshop. It was a pleasure to meet you. Previously, we have modified menu number 3. Among these menu number 1, 2, and 3, can you guess which the main menu is? Yes, that's true. The main menu is menu number 3. Okay, today, we will move to modify the next menu, for setting the clock, and the alarm. Now, we begin to modify the setting mode, of our device. Okay guys, let's get started. Alright. Let's move to menu number 4, and its submenu, and erase them. Then, we fill menu number 4 with setting clock. Yes, we use this menu for setting the clock. Okay, let's move to menu number 5, and its submenu, and erase them. Then, we fill menu number 5 with setting alarm. Yes, we use this menu for setting the alarm. Okay. Before we move to modify the next menu, let's see the backside of this ordinary table clock as a sample. Here, as you see, there is a little switch to turn on or turn off the alarm. The switch is needed because sometimes we don't need the alarm, especially when we are not at home. Yes, our clock should be able to turn on or turn off the alarm function as we need. Okay, we catch this. So, here, we need to modify menu number 6, and its submenu. And fill menu number 6 with setting status alarm. Yes, we can use this menu to turn on or turn off the alarm function as we need, especially when we are not at home. Then, below menu number 6, we restore menu for exit, and its submenu that we have erased before. These menu are used for exit setting, and go back to normal mode, to the green frames menu, up there. And, menu number 8, it's already true. We will not modify it. Okay. It's time to test them. Here, to enter setting mode, we still use push and hold the star button, for 5 seconds, the same method as the previous project. Alright guys, let's see the result. we did it. It's work. Okay guys, as you see here, menu number 4 is used for setting the clock. Menu number 5 is used for setting the alarm. Menu number 6 is used for setting the alarm status. This menu will use to turn on or turn off the alarm function. And menu number 8 is used to give us information when we enter setting or exit setting. Okay, until this step, we have completed 60% of the map. Next part, we will fill submenu 4A, 5A, and 6A, and write the formula. The formula is used to compare values between the clock and the alarm. When the clock is more than or equal to alarm, our device will turn on something. Alright guys, see you in the next part. Please respond if you like the project. Thanks for watching.